Welcome to this training session. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Presentation Packet feature to create a PowerPoint presentation with rendered views of your design. The Presentation Packet is a powerful tool that allows you to promote your design to customers by generating a PowerPoint presentation. To use it, your software needs to be on version 13.7 or higher. Your license should include the Packet module enabled, and you'll need the PowerPoint desktop application installed on your computer. You can find the Presentation Packet icon on the presentation ribbon. Before generating your presentation packet, it's important to prepare your renderings. Start by adjusting your camera angles using the perspective view. Move around the room to capture the best angles of your design. Name your views clearly using a straightforward numbering system such as 1. View from window, or 2. Kitchen island close-up. Since the presentation packet arranges views alphabetically, numbering them allows you to control the order in which they appear in PowerPoint. Keep in mind that adding more views increases the time required for the presentation packet to generate, as each view is rendered in high quality. You can rename or delete saved views anytime from the Render ribbon under Manage Views. Once your views are ready and named, you can start building your presentation packet. The Render Saved Views option is enabled by default. Click Generate to begin creating your presentation packet. You'll see two progress bars, one for processing the PowerPoint files and another for rendering your saved views. When the process is complete, click Open to access the presentation packet. From there, you can begin customizing your presentation, including renaming slides and adding new ones with items such as floor plans and elevations. You can also tailor the presentation to reflect your company's aesthetic. To learn more about these customization options, please contact our sales team. You can also include additional assets in your presentation packet, from the selected door style to the item list, adding valuable details that enhance the final result. If you add new views to your presentation packet, select Update to reprocess the packet so the newly added views are generated. You can continue working in Design Flex while the process runs. If at any time you decide to stop the process, click Cancel first, then close the window. And that's it! You've learned how to create, organize, and update a presentation packet in Design Flex. Use this feature to quickly showcase your designs and create professional presentations that truly impress your customers.